Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a recent trade that we just took today actually on some S&P 500 put options, and I'm going to show you exactly why we took the trade, when we took the trade, and the idea here is for you to learn from this so that you can take some of these strategies into your own trading and hopefully turn it into some nice profitable trading strategies. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like this free videos and analysis like the one we're about to show you right now on a profitable trade alert, then it's nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up for the premium membership. Once you sign up for that premium membership, you're going to get instant access to profitable trade alerts like the one that I'm about to show you on the S&P 500 put options. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you with your trading. Alright, so let's take a look at this chart here. What I want to point out is this is a 15-minute chart, and this is today's action. This is today's open right there and today's close right there. Okay, and this is yesterday's action. All right, so today we gapped up over this little resistance right here, but ended up closing below it. I prepared members here and mentioned that if we ended up closing below that level, we were going to get into some puts. So not only was it this resistance here, you can clearly see how much this is resistance. This is a very easy level. Everyone can see it right there. Not only was it this resistance here, but also the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from the highs here and the lows right there, you have the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So right there we've got Fibonacci's as well as this simple resistance level. Okay, so we didn't just blindly short here at the open. Okay, that wouldn't have been a good idea because we gapped over this resistance, and typically when you get a gap up, well, not typically, but a lot of times when you get a gap up, you know, that can lead to a bullish day. So you really want to be sure that the stock or the market that you're trading is seeing some kind of a rejection at a level or some kind of a bearish trait here at the open in order for you to get short. So we saw that right here on a close below a 15-minute. This is the 15-minute chart. Every candlestick represents 15 minutes of trading. So we waited until this 15-minute candle closed, and we got into some puts, and I will show you that right here. Trade alert, August 30th, SPY 245 strike puts at 65 cents. So we got them right here at the open of this candle right here, and we were targeting, first target was the gap fill, and we ended up taking profits right here on half pretty much right away. Just about 15 minutes later, it hit that gap fill right there. So that's a beautiful, quick trade. And as you can see, I prepared members looking to sell half of the gap fill, 244.55. We hit that, so I alerted half sell at 80 cents. It's a nice win. All right, that's about a 25% gain in 10 minutes. Not bad. All right, so next we were going to target the gap fill below, and I'll show you where that is. So again, here's today's action, and then here's yesterday's action, and the day before that right here. This is Thursday's action right here, as you can see, and there's a gap to fill right there. So what happened here is we ended up stopping out on the last of our last half of our puts here as we saw this hammer here right at this support. You can see that was where the gap fill was, but as you can see, these were the lows of the previous day, as well as you can see some resistance right there. Now it turns into some support, and we saw a reaction off of this level and a break of the high, so we ended up stopping out right here on a trailing stop for 82 cents. We sold the last half. So about a 28% win, something like that, on the S&P 500 puts there. And I just kind of want to explain something. We've been very choppy here on the S&P 500 the last few days. So normally I would have let this run here. I wouldn't have gotten stopped out here on that last piece. I would have waited and sold down here. As you can see, it hit that target. The gap filled right there. But the reason that I stopped out of it is because we've been seeing a choppy market, so I'm keeping it pretty tight here. Obviously ended up with a very nice win. Obviously we don't always catch, the high and the low of the day. That's, ideal, but it doesn't always happen that way. But overall, we're very pleased with this trade here. We stayed disciplined and focused, and we teach our members exactly how to take these kinds of trades every single day. So if you like that video, if you like this trade, if you like the discipline and the profitability and the consistency that you're seeing from these profitable trade reviews that we're showing you here on a regular basis, then it's a great idea to sign up for the premium membership. Once you sign up with that premium membership, you're going to gain instant access to profitable trade alerts just like the one that I showed you right now on the S&P 500 puts. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading.